It's almost time for the 145th running of the Kentucky Derby. That means there's going to be Derby Day teas and Derby Day lunches, Derby Day breakfasts, Derby Day brunches, and Derby Day dinners, and the Derby Day fashions are going to be out of this world. And the one accessory that is always in demand is the Derby Day headpiece, either the hat or the Fascinator. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I picked up to wear to a Derby Day tea. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Karen at Karen1310 has issued a challenge to all of us to show off our hats and our fascinators, and she's calling it the Big Hat Challenge. And she had in mind hats that women might wear to church, or that women might wear to the Derby or to Derby Day events. So what I have to share with you is a fascinator that I picked up in Louisville, Kentucky to wear to a Derby Day tea. Here it is. Isn't this adorable? I just love this little confection. It's just like a little pop of yellow and green and pinks, and it's absolutely beautiful. And it goes with the things I love to wear best. It goes perfectly with this pink dress, it goes with my yellow, and it goes with my green. And it's got a little gold headband that you put in underneath here, and it just sits atop to my head just like a little flower. And I'll try it on for you in just a second. Let me tell you where I got it. I picked it up at the Be Sweet Gifts and Boutiques, and she does custom fascinators for the Kentucky Derby. I will put her card up on the screen so that you can check her out. And the price I thought was fairly reasonable, but isn't this adorable? So now let me try it on for you. So what do you think? Is this not amazing? I just love this fascinator. Now, it's called a fascinator because it's just a little confection of goodness, of beautifulness, and it's fascinating to watch. Sometimes it's even more fascinating as to how they stay on. But these little headpieces are called fascinators. You've also seen the royal princesses wearing fascinators to Ascot. It's the big race in England, in London, that's kind of similar to our Kentucky Derby. So how do I look? Is this not amazing? I just love it. And I feel ultra feminine. For a woman who never wears hats, I am loving this. So my question for you is this: what part of this fascinator do you find most fascinating? Do you like the yellow with the little lace? Do you like the pink flower? Or do you like the little green little flippy thing that's right there on the top? Tell me in the comment section below. And before I go any further, if you are not familiar with Karen1310, I will link her channel below. She really does a lot of fun things over there. She's a wonderful designer. She does some thrift hauls, and she also likes to do some just interesting chit chat. So I think you will like what she does over there. She's also going to create a playlist so that you can see all the big hats and fascinators that the other creators have to share. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video. So when does the 145th running of the Kentucky Derby take place? On Saturday, May 4th at 6:30 p.m. Eastern.